We're using Google Forms a lot in the classroom these days to collect student data. The problem we have is that we don't have iPads assigned to individuals in our building. We have iPads assigned to a classroom. So a teacher or a paraprofessional may pick up a random iPad and record data during an activity. To make that happen, we have the different Google Forms bookmarked on the Chrome browser on the iPad so they can quickly open up the form and input the data. But we need to make sure that only those who are approved to do so can enter that data. We don't want a student picking up and entering data. That would be inappropriate. And how do we make sure that happens? We password protect our Google Forms. And if you're not sure how to do that, then that's today's tip. On my screen, we are logged into my Google Drive and ready to create a new Google form. So I'm going to click to have a blank form. And this will be the form that we use as our demonstration for password protecting a document. So I will just call it that. Password protect forms. And for the very first question, we're going to put enter password. Now, because I typed the word password, Google automatically assumes it's going to be something pretty specific and it turns on response validation for me. But you can turn this on or off on any question on a form, and you can do that by coming right down here to the corner, clicking these three little dots and looking for the response validation option. And it's right there for you. Once that's on, you set your password. I'm going to have my password be a number, and that number is going to be equal to 369. If someone puts in the wrong password, it will tell them, please try again. And I'm going to require that. Now, before I go on to my second question, I'm going to come down and add a section. And then the second section will be my student data, and I can add my first question, and that will be student name. And then I could go from there, but that's really all I need to demonstrate what's happening here. So let's look at that the way the user would see it. When they open the form, they will just see enter password. If they put in the wrong password and click next, they'll get my prompt, please try again. If they enter the correct password, next will take them right into the form and they can begin collecting data. And that one simple trick is all you need to protect your Google Forms.